In this video, we will compare character AI versus poly AI. I have right here this Reddit thread about the user asking if poly is better than CAI. So they're actually currently a CAI user and they get more interest on poly. So according to some users, to be honest, these users see that neither of them is good enough. Darling AI is their fave in this role as well. So for video and image, Lord AI is best with no questions. Now right here you can see that some users see that here that AI on romantic playmate feels real and both of them is not good. So you can see right here that you can get a lot of option. If you're looking into poly AI, one thing to consider is that this user friendly has been great. The voice chat feature is super impressive and tends to recall a conversation from ages ago. Now, this user prefers CAI, but they still use both. CAI has some limitations, but Poly also have itself. Now, CAI has filters, mainly for issues related to extreme violence. Meanwhile, Poly AI does not have these filters. So it actually depends on what you want for the moment. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.